Yeah, PB posting really did just turn into Ren posting. Okay, I will now check chat. I was testing a script, made a death compilation of Spelunky by doing nothing besides play Spelunky. Gotta go now. Definitely need to get off your computer and do Red Yoshi things. Okay, see ya. Thank you for the good luck. Okay, so you're playing Spelunky? I've never played Spelunky, but it's... people seem to enjoy it. Okay, I'm going to lock in again. Gotta finish the run. Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Holy shit! Let's go! Holy shit! Let's fucking go! 219 skip! Let's go! I did it! Holy shit, I did it. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, almost a 218 skip. Holy fuck. Holy fuck.